it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I have these outstanding banana peppers. They aren't hot, but they have an excellent sweetness and a wonderful little crunch to them, and they're actually really awesome when you pickle them. So let me show how to make homemade pickled banana peppers. That's it, guys. That's how you make pickled banana peppers. They are excellent for snacking. They're great in salads. You can top a sandwich with it, or hey, go make a pizza. So however you like them, they're delicious to me. Enjoy.